Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making homemade cream puffs. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 207 degrees Celsius or 405 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's make pastry cream. In a pan, place cornstarch and sugar. Then stir it until there are no lumps. It is not on a stove at this point. Pour milk and make a paste and stir until there are no lumps. Separate eggs and add only the egg yolks to the pan with milk. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Stir the egg yolks until they disappear. Then add the rest of the milk and stir again. Add the vanilla extract or essence and mix. From here, cook it on medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens. If you get tired, just hold on. It will take about 5 to 8 minutes. When the bubbles begin to show, remove the cream from the heat. Scrape the sides of the pan to collect. Then touch close the cream with a cling wrap or a baking paper. All this sounds like set the cream aside to cool entirely. Let's make the shell, the choux dough. In a large pan, place water, butter, salt, and sugar. Then put your stove on medium to high heat and allow it to boil. Once this mixture begins to boil, remove it from the heat or switch off, then add flour and stir for 2 minutes. A big shout out to my Easy family, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I appreciate you. Once your dough pulls away from the pan, coming together as it blends, 2 minutes later it's ready to go back to the heat. Cook it for another 2 minutes, stirring constantly, and the heat should be on low. Once it starts to develop a delicate crust on the bottom of the pan, it is ready. Put the dough in a non-heat sensitive bowl and beat it to cool it down. You may either use the wooden spoon or the hand blender. Let's say you beat it for about 2 minutes. Gradually add eggs, one at a time. Blend until each disappears. A warm welcome to the new viewers. I hope you find this channel your home. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Stop and collect from the sides and mix. Then continue adding your eggs and beating them. Stop adding the eggs when the dough falls off the handles gracefully and it forms a V shape, or what they call a ribbon. Just like that. I have used 3 eggs. You might have to use 4 eggs or 3.5. Please be on a lookout for the ribbon. Put the dough in a piping bag. Or if you don't have a piping bag, it's okay, you will spoon your dough. You may put a piping tip or piping nozzle like Wilton A1 in the piping bag. I have closed the piping bag with a peg to avoid leakage. Then I started pushing my dough to the front, and I'm using a dough scraper. I found this way effective. Cover the baking tray with a non-stick baking paper and pipe your dough, giving it space in between. I'm not good with piping. Once you have piped all your dough, dip your finger on clean water, your clean finger of course, and smoothen the tips of each dough so they do not burn. bake them for 20 minutes. Then take them out and poke them with a sharp object like a skewer. Then take them back into the oven and bake them for another 3 minutes. Then take them out again to cool down. So the total baking time will be 23 minutes. The reason for poking them is to make sure that they dry up inside. They are hollow and light. In another container, whisk the whipping cream until soft peaks. We will mix the whipping cream now with our pastry cream. Beat the pastry cream to loosen up before folding in the whipping cream. It was not blending to my liking and as quick. I had to use the hand blender on low speed or use a whisk. As a gesture of support, please press the like button and leave a comment below about your thoughts regarding this recipe. Just a tip, if your pastry cream is not as thick to your liking, put it back in the fridge just for it to become the consistency you like. Cool your cream puffs on a cooling rack so they do not become soggy. Once they are cool entirely, cut them into halves or poke a hole to insert a piping bag tip at the bottom and fill them with cream. You may spoon the cream if you don't have a piping bag. Please do not forget to press the like button. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.